is a little song I wrote. You're right on the singing note, one note, but don't worry. Be happy. And every night there's a lot to trouble, but if you worry, one make it good, but don't worry. Be happy. One more time now. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming. Did you guys have a good time? Did you guys have a good time? I hope so. Thank you for coming to the Pizza Press and for enjoying the food and the drink and for enjoying the live music. My name is Jensen Overcall. We got Aiden Higa on the phone, and we'll be back here on the last Friday of the month. So that'll be on June 27th, I believe. Okay, and I'm also we also play every second Thursday of the month, and we play here at the Pizza Press, and we call Trade Waves. We got 6 people over here, and we play every second Thursday of the month. So that's June 12th. So June 12th, June 27th. You guys like what you hear. Thank you so much for supporting the Pizza Press and for live music. Here we go.